Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cybersecurity, exploring the ever-evolving threats and the innovative solutions that are keeping our digital lives safe. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the threats. Hackers are constantly finding new ways to breach our systems, and they're getting more sophisticated by the day. From phishing scams to malware, ransomware, and even state-sponsored cyber attacks, our data is under constant attack. But fear not, because the cybersecurity industry is also evolving at a rapid pace. We're seeing the rise of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain technology, all of which are helping to strengthen our defenses. AI is particularly powerful in detecting and preventing cyber threats. It can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, spotting patterns and anomalies that humans might miss. Machine learning, on the other hand, is helping to automate many cybersecurity tasks, making them more efficient and effective. Blockchain technology is also playing a significant role in cybersecurity. By creating a decentralized, transparent, and tamper-proof ledger of transactions, it's making it much harder for hackers to steal or manipulate data. Of course, the fight against cyber threats isn't just about technology. It's also about education and awareness. We all have a role to play in keeping our digital lives safe, whether it's by creating strong passwords, keeping our software up to date, or being cautious when clicking on links or downloading files. So, what can we do to stay ahead of the curve? It's important to stay informed about the latest threats and solutions. Keep your software and operating systems up to date, and consider investing in cybersecurity tools and services. In conclusion, the battle against cyber threats is an ongoing one, but we're all in it together. By staying informed, being vigilant, and using the latest technology, we can keep our digital lives safe and secure. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of cybersecurity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging content. Until next time, stay safe out there.